Where do you want to eat?
I want to eat at the new restaurant downtown.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
How many people are with you?
We are 4 people in total.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a table for 7 p.m.
Would you like a table inside or outside?
We'd like a table outside, please.
Can I see the menu?
Yes, here is the menu.
What do you recommend?
I recommend trying the grilled chicken.
Is this dish spicy?
Yes, it's a little spicy.
Do you serve vegetarian food?
Yes, we have many vegetarian options.
What drinks do you have?
We have soda, juice, tea, and coffee.
Can I get some water first?
Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Do you have fresh juice?
Yes, we serve orange and mango juice.
What's the soup of the day?
Today's soup is tomato soup.
Can I order a starter?
Yes, what would you like?
I'll take the spring rolls.
Sure, 1 order of spring rolls.
Is there a kids menu?
Yes, we have a special kids menu.
How big is the portion?
It's enough for 1 person.
Do you have any seafood?
Yes, we serve grilled fish and prawns.
How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
Can I get it without onions?
Yes, we can remove the onions.
Do you have gluten-free bread?
Yes, we do.
Can I order half a portion?
Sorry, we only serve full portions.
Can I get extra sauce?
Yes, I'll bring extra sauce.
Do you serve dessert?
Yes, we have cakes and ice cream.
What flavors of ice cream do you have?
We have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry.
Can I get the bill, please?
Yes, I'll bring it to your table.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Do you have change for 1,000?
Yes, I'll bring your change.
Is service charge included?
Yes, it's already included.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the menu.
Is this table free?
Yes, you can sit here.
How late are you open?
We're open until 11 p.m.
Do you have today's special?
Yes, it's grilled salmon.
Is there parking available?
Yes, there is free parking outside.
Do you allow takeout?
Yes, we do take out orders.
Can I pack the leftovers?
Sure, I'll pack them for you.
Do you deliver food?
Yes, we offer home delivery.
Do you have a smoking area?
Yes, it's outside.
Can I get more napkins?
Yes, I'll bring them right away.
Is this drink refillable?
Yes, free refills are available.
Can you make it less spicy?
Yes, we'll make it mild.
Do you serve halal food?
Yes, all our food is halal.
Do you have any vegan dishes?
Yes, we do.
Can I get a salad instead of fries?
Yes, that's possible.
How much is this meal?
It's 850 rupees.
Do you have a family platter?
Yes, it serves 4 people.
Is there live music here?
Yes, every Saturday night.
Do you take online orders?
Yes, through our website.
Can I sit near the window?
Yes, that table is free.
Can I see the dessert menu?
Here it is.
What cakes do you have today?
We have chocolate and cheesecake.
Can you recommend a drink?
Try our fresh lemonade.
Do you serve coffee?
Yes, hot and cold coffee.
Can I get some bread first?
Yes, I'll bring some bread.
Is there a buffet here?
Yes, lunch buffet from 1 to 3 p.m.
Do you serve breakfast?
Yes, until 11 a.m.
Can I add cheese to my sandwich?
Yes, with extra cost.
Do you have sugar-free options?
Yes, we do.
Can I order online and pick it up?
Yes, that's available
What time does the kitchen close?
at 10:30 p.m.
Is this dish sweet or salty?
It's a little sweet.
Do you serve fresh seafood daily?
Yes, every morning.
Can I try a local dish?
Yes, try the chicken karahi.
Do you have mineral water?
Yes, we do.
Can I pay by mobile app?
Yes, we accept online payments.
Do you serve milkshakes?
Yes, chocolate and banana milkshakes.
How spicy is this curry?
It's medium spicy.
Do you have soup with bread?
Yes, it comes with garlic bread.
Can I split the bill?
Yes, that's fine.
Is this table reserved?
Yes, for 8 p.m.
Do you offer discounts?
Yes, on weekends.
Can I get a high chair for the baby?
Yes, we'll bring one.
Can I try the chef's special?
Yes, it's grilled lamb today.
Do you serve fresh fruit?
Yes, seasonal fruits are available.
Can I order just drinks?
Yes, that's fine.
Do you serve Chinese food?
Yes, we have noodles and fried rice.
Do you have a waiting area?
Yes, please wait near the entrance.
How long is the wait for a table?
About 10 minutes.
Do you offer catering services?
Yes, for parties and events.
Can I order extra bread?
Yes, I'll bring more bread.
Do you serve alcohol?
No, we don't serve alcohol.
Is this dish good for kids?
Yes, it's not too spicy.
Do you offer student discounts?
Yes, with a student ID.
Do you have any combo meals?
Yes, burger and fries combo.
Can I change my order?
Yes, if the kitchen hasn't started.
Do you serve tea?
Yes, green and black tea.
Is this juice fresh or bottled?
It's freshly made.
Do you serve biryani?
Yes, chicken and mutton biryani.
Can I order only a starter?
Yes, you can.
Is the rice included with curry?
Yes, it comes with rice.
Do you have soups without cream?
Yes, clear soups are available.
Can I pay later?
Sorry, payment is after the meal.
Do you serve burgers?
Yes, beef and chicken burgers.
Can I get my food packed to go?
Yes, we'll pack it for you.
Is this a spicy sauce?
Yes, it's chili sauce.
Do you have Wi-Fi for customers?
Yes, it's free.
Can I order dessert first?
Yes, of course.
Do you serve cold drinks?
Yes, Coke, Sprite, and Fanta.
Do you accept group bookings?
Yes, up to 20 people.
Do you have loyalty cards?
Yes, ask at the counter.
Can I order extra fries?
Yes, I'll add that to your order.
Is tipping included?
No, tipping is optional.